Hello students, welcome to the another session of the Environment, Ecosystem and Biodiversity. I am Dr. Sonia, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. So what is risk? Hazard is something, any substance that causes the harm, and the risk is nothing but the substance which causes the harm and how the substance is affected. Altogether, it gives the risk factor. So there are mainly three types of risk. They are the physical hazards, chemical hazards, biological or biohazards. So physical hazards, the substance or the activities that harm us physically. These can be detected through our senses of touch or sight. Example, you can sense the cold, heat, the radiations, noise, vibration, etc. They are very common to one another in our working places. So, physical hazards and their health effects. We'll see few physical hazards. Radioactive radiations, they affect the cells in the body and the function of the glands and organs. And it may also cause cancer. Ultraviolet radiation, they cause skin cancer. So due to the depletion in the ozone layer, the UV rays they come and directly attack the skin. Global warming. So global warming is a present scenario where we are facing the rise in the temperature in few degrees centigrades. So increase in temperature causes famine, scarcity of food, and mortality, that is death rate. Then chlorofluorocarbons, they damage the ozone layer, allows more ultraviolet rays and thus causes skin cancer. Noise, painful and severe, and it causes the damage to the ear. So we other types of problems like hypertension, stress, etc. They are also caused by high noise levels. The next is the chemical hazard. Systems where chemical accidents like fires, explosions, leakages could occur. Anthropogenic, it is caused by human. Okay, example, liquids, cleaning products, paints, acids and solvents, they cause the chemical hazard. Then vapors and fumes coming from the welding or exposure to solvents. Then gases like acetylene, propane, carbon monoxide. Flammable materials, gasoline, solvents and explosives. These causes the chemical hazards, which is hazardous to the environment, plants, animals and human. So there are few chemical hazards and their health effects. Combustion of fossil fuels, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, etc. They cause the asthma, bronchitis and other lung diseases. Industrial effluents kill cells, cause cancer and death. Pesticides and chlorinated compounds, they affect the food chain. Okay, through the food chain, see when the plants they absorb these pesticides, they get into the animals through the plants and the humans, and thus they cause the damage. Okay, heavy metals like silver, cadmium, etc. they contaminate water and causes the health ill effects. Then biohazards, materials derived from the medical treatment of the animals or the human, which harms the humans. So how they enter into the body through the respiratory system, contact with the body fluids of the infected, contact with the contaminated objects. Okay, so these are the few methods through which they enter into the body. So they cause the ill effect, that is biological hazard like bacteria, viruses and parasites. They cause diarrhea, malaria, respiratory diseases, etc. And how we can prevent them. The control measures of hazards, ventilation of the places to be imposed, use of ultraviolet lamps and air conditioning system, use of masks, gloves, eye shields for the personal protection, elimination of sources of contamination of biological hazard. Thank you. We will see in the next session the next part of the environmental ecosystem and biodiversity.